Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to get into some technical analysis and go over some trade ideas here for gold. I'm going to go over exactly what I'm seeing, why I'm seeing it, so that you can learn and become a better trader in the process. And a quick announcement, we are offering a free 14-day trial now, something that we've never offered before. But it is a special limited time offer that we have going on right now. You're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video, where I can tell you exactly how you can get in on that free 14-day trial. So let's get into this gold chart here. And first and foremost, we haven't done a lot of coverage on gold recently, but if you go back, you'll see that we called for a bounce back here in, when was this? About middle of August. So if you go back, if you're looking on our video blogs, you can go back to the videos we did in early to mid-August on gold, and you can see that we called for a bounce at these levels. Okay, guys? So I'm not going to go over, that why we called for a bounce there. If you're interested in that, go back, watch those videos that we did back then. But I'm going to focus more on the. I just realized my mic is not in, so hopefully you guys have heard me a little bit. But you should be able to hear me better now. Okay, so I got my mic in. So gold daily chart here. The one thing I want to point out is, yes, we called for a bounce here, but we're getting really nice reactions. So here is a break over this resistance. You can see it was resistance there. Boom, boom, boom. Broke over it here with some really nice heavy volume. Then we traded sideways and down. Look at where we bounced. Right at that support level. Okay. We also have a pretty decent little uptrend line right here. All right, there it is. Started from these lows, bounce there, and a bounce right there. All right, so we've got that going on. Now we have a strong bounce off of this support. All right, we've got the 50-day moving average below the 20-day moving average, which is bullish. We have another nice gap up here recently, and we just need to break over this resistance. I think that if we just break over this resistance, here's that little downtrend line that we have right here. Okay, you can see that it's been resistance here for a little while. And right here, this little action that we're seeing, to me, this is bullish. All right, this is bullish because we had a gap up and then we traded sideways. To me, this gap up is strong, obviously, and it's trading with the short-term trend because we are in an uptrend for the last several months. And the other thing, too, is we've got that gap up, and then we've traded sideways for the next 5 or 6 days. To me, this tells me that gold is holding those gains from this gap up. Okay, it's not like we gapped up and then we headed straight lower. We gapped up and we're just trading sideways. We're holding those gains and we're just taking a pause for what most likely will be a move to the upside. So here's what you want to look for. You want to look for a break over this resistance. Okay, a break over these recent highs. If and when we do, even when we do that, I think that gold can see a really nice breakout because this is a really big sideways trading action. We got a move up here a little bit, yes, but it hasn't really moved big in a while. Notice how it's just kind of been trading sideways within this range. Okay, if you go back, okay, look at how much of a trend this was. Okay, this whole way down. This is something we called for, by the way. Is that big drop? We called for that big drop on gold. We called for the big drop. We called for the bounce here, and now I think it's time for this to move even higher. Okay, so again, remember, it can't trade sideways forever. Remember, we traded sideways back here for a while, and then we finally broke out of that range, and then we trended big. Okay, it's looking like the same thing is going to happen, just in the opposite direction here for gold. We can't trade sideways forever, and we're forming a nice bottoming pattern here. I definitely think that in the long run, if you're patient, that we can get a nice big move for gold to the upside. Because if you look at the videos I did back in August, you'll see that I expanded the chart going back many, many years, and you see that we are in an uptrend here, and this is just bouncing right at a longer term trend line. So to summarize it, I think that gold is heading higher for all of the reasons that I have mentioned. And now I'd like to invite you to our free 14-day trial. You know, this is especially important for you right now, or anyone right now. I'm just going to move my face out of the way a little bit. And this is especially important for right now in the market, because you're probably realizing, if you're like most people, you're probably realizing that you actually have to know what you're doing to make money in the market. You can't just buy and hold and buy every dip, and because the easy money has been made. You know, the last 2 or 3 years, you know, Uber drivers were making money in the stock market. But want to know what? They probably lost it all in the last 2 months, and that's because they don't have a plan, they don't have a structured technique, and they haven't seen down markets or sideways markets, okay? But we have. We've been doing this for almost a decade now. We've seen up markets, we've seen down markets, we've seen sideways markets, so nothing is surprising us. This down move, we profited on the way down, all right? Because we trade short trades via put options, all right? So again, we can trade upside moves or downside moves, and that's what you need to know how to do if you want to make money in this market. So join with that free 14-day trial, no strings attached, and you're going to be able to see what makes us different. Okay, I know you have a lot of options out there for services, for trading services, and we are not like any of the other ones that are out there. We're better, and we do it differently. Okay, and most importantly, our clients are happy, and they're making money, and they're getting results. The main component of the premium service that you're going to get is easy to follow real-time trade alerts with high profit potential on each trade, delivered directly to your fingertips via text message. So if you've got a job, no worries, you're going to be able to participate in these trades. And these trades are about 90% of them are swing trades that last anywhere from 2 days to about 30 days. So it's not like, you know, we're doing day trades and you need to be watching your screen all day long or anything like that. So it's made for part-time traders. If that's you, this is going to be a perfect fit for you. Here's a few examples of some recent trades that we've taken. If you've been a member at this time, you would have been able to participate in these trades. You can check them out on the homepage of the website. You can see what our current members are saying about the membership. You can also, the main thing here, well, is that separates us from all the other services out there is our complete transparency. Every single trade that we take and we alert to members is put into our real-time portfolio tracker, all right? And you're going to get access to that when you sign up and you join today. Every single trade that we've made, we've been doing this since July. It's a new feature since July, and the reason that this is going to allow you to get transparent updates and separate us from the rest of the services out there is because you're going to be able to see everything that we do, all of our past trades, our current trades, and everything. Nothing is brushed under the rug. You're going to be able to see if we're making money, if we're losing money, how we're making money, how we're losing money. I'll give you a hint. We are making money right now, and you're going to be able to see that, and you're going to watch your account grow alongside ours. The other thing you're getting is you're going to be able to increase your knowledge immediately. We have a full suite of educational videos as well as member videos that are updated almost daily with trade ideas, educational material, and you also have the opportunity to ask me any questions via text message, email, or we have the live chat on the website on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. To clarify, it's not a chat room. It's just a one-on-one live chat. You can initiate with me, and I'll hop on and I'll help you with anything that you might have, any questions you might have. You can reach out to me, and I'll hop on there and I'll help you out. So I really hope that you make that decision to become a better trader and to get results finally in the market. And the cool thing is it's free to sign up. You have a full 14 days to check out the service and see if it's a right fit. Okay, so I hope that it's a right fit, and I hope that we can help you, but totally understand that we can't serve everyone, and it's super easy to cancel. Click of the button, no strings attached. That's all you got to do. So I hope that you join us. I look forward to helping you grow your account on a consistent basis in this market, and I hope to see you in there.